Airlines, baby. Terminal 2. Okay, that looks a lot bigger. Delta, United. So your cell lot's going to be right here next to the rentals. It appears that Terminal 2 must be an international terminal. Terminal 1, domestic. So we're going to drop the car off here and take a little bus over to the airport. I would allow for probably 10, maybe even 15 minutes on that, although I don't think it's that long, but just to be safe. All right, so we're here in Terminal 1. Here is ticketing and all that stuff, all the gates upstairs. TSA. Alright, got my boarding pass. I always do the printouts, even though you can do it on your mobile. It's just easier for me. And straight to the gates. Pretty simple. I like this terminal. Alright, so we're through the security. Got a shop at a restaurant and Mediterranean food, of all things. I think there's 8. Now there's probably 10 gates here. Let's see. This is 8, 7 through 9, and this is 1 through 6. So this is Terminal 1. Another gift shop. It looks like we got a char grill, some burgers, shakes, maybe some beer. We got tacos, chicken tacos, ground beef tacos. Sounds pretty good. Let's see what else they have. Spirit. Pretty empty down here. And you got a flight stop. Get you a Diet Dr. Pepper or something. I don't see a filter cover. It's draining slow. Got another bar here. Oh, nice. And a Starbucks.
But I'm running, you'll be next week. I'm sure you got plenty, right?